got just another one here for you. We call this fold the Super Rose. That's right, the Super Rose. And once you see the finished product, you're probably going to agree. It starts with 2 pocket squares. Size does matter. In this particular case, you want them to be at least 11 by 11 inches in size or larger. So I've got this beautiful burgundy and navy blue, and again, we're getting ready to do the Super Rose. And how this works is we just take these 2 pocket squares and lay one right over the top of the other one, and we're going to fold it in half 2 times to get an even smaller square. So that's 1 fold, and this is number 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these points and have them facing up. Okay, this is the pointed end. Now what we do here is we take these 2 pieces at a time. So I got burgundy and blue. I take that, I fold it back down inside itself as far as I can. I take blue and burgundy. I do the same thing again. All right. Then I take burgundy and blue and I fold that back down inside itself again. And then I take this blue and burgundy and I just flip that right behind it as well. So this is what I got so far. Now here's how this comes together. Simply all I do is I take this corner down to this point, like this. Then I do the same thing from this side as well, that point down to that corner. See how this is coming together? Now I'm gonna hang on to this because it's hard to hold all this together without having the best pocket square holder in the picture. It's deep down to the bottom. It's going to hold whatever you put in it. So squeeze, tuck this bottom in here like so. Now once I've done that, remember I can manipulate this any way I want. So it flattens it out a little bit. Take my thumbs and I begin to reform this at the top. Wow. Look at that. Look at what we created. We call this the Super Rose. You got all of this texture, all the different contrast and color. This is an awesome fold. Now you're really going to see it great in the pocket, but before we put it in there, I want to make sure that this rests along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket. And if your pocket happens to be deeper, we just simply pull more of the pocket squares out of the pocket square holder to take up the difference in depth. That's the trick. So here we go. Let's see what we came up with here today. So we insert here. Oh my goodness, boom. Rests along the inside bottom of the jacket pocket. Couple of last adjustments here. Look at this thing. My goodness. That is called the Super Rose. Super Rose, only made possible by the award-winning best pocket square holder, or if you have more of a slimmer jacket pocket, you also have the slim edition. Look for the gold label. It's about 1 inch more narrower than the regular pocket square holder. See, we didn't forget about you either. So again, the finale of the day is the Super Rose. 2 pocket squares make a beautiful rose with the best pocket square holder. Make sure you get yours today. Find it at participating locations or our website at www.bestpocketsquareholder.com.